Your 3-minute question and answer period for the TD Entrepreneurship Challenge will now begin. How were the participants targeted in this project underserved by the current entrepreneurship support system in Canada?
Well, so there's a few steps that we take to ensure when engaging with our participants. The first is that we do a needs assessment to see which communities are affected most by heart health in the province. And then we kind of tailored our project around that. So Newfoundland has a lot of heart health issues when it comes to cardiac arrest, as well as accessing emergency medical services outside of St. John's, just due to the isolation and ruralness of it all. So we first picked people that were first picked areas that were more highly affected by cardiac arrest. But then through strategic partners that we made, whether both in the private and public sectors, we realized that there's other people that could actually avail of our project. So whether it's first responders that are actually like engaging with people who are undergoing cardiac arrest, or maybe per se like municipalities that have to incur that cost for residents of their community that actually undergo cardiac arrest, then there was a lot more that we realized that people could pertain to when dealing with heart starter.
Which area of your project do you see as the most innovative and why?
So we view our whole project as innovative. However, there's many different aspects that fall into this category. So primarily we have our drones, which are the top of the line of the market. They're custom made. They fly further, faster, and withstand harsh weather while carrying a payload. Furthermore, we've also focused on education heavily to get a well-roundedness of the project to help further solve heart health problems. So we focus on education by partnering with the YMCA and Succeed, and developed an AED registry to log all of our AEDs in this province, as Newfoundland is the single province that doesn't have an AED registry.
How did you define success for this project?
For this project, there is success at every stage. As of right now, we've been successful in establishing partnerships that help us effectively launch our pilot in the town of Hollywood. In the short term, we aim to hand out this pilot to the town of Hollywood to operate. In the medium term, we aim to expand across our province and hopefully be able to launch this project across many more towns in this province. And finally, in the long term, success for us would be to expand all over Newfoundland and Labrador and Canada and help the 6,000 people that die every year from heart diseases throughout in the country.
How has COVID-19 impacted your project?
Our project launched right before the pandemic sort of, hit. So we kind of had to take it into our own hands to adjust as quickly as we could in order to make any progress with our project.
Your time has now expired. Thank you, Enactus Memorial.